Hello there. At Britlish, we bend over backwards to help students improve their English skills, and we're pleased to tell you that there is another British English lesson in the Britlish library. This new lesson teaches you 20 common British English idiomatic expressions which use the word back. The 20 idioms are behind your back, break the back of something, watch your back to back, fell off the back of a lorry, scratch back, like water off a duck's back, turn your back on, get someone's back up, watch someone's back, put your back into something, back out of, on someone's back, a pat on the back, give the shirt off your back against the wall, stabbed in the back someone up, have or take the shirt off your back, when your back is turned, and bend over backwards. If you don't know what these common English idioms mean, you need to visit the Britlish library today at britlish.com. Just because all the lessons in the Britlish library are free to use for everyone, it does not mean that they fell off the back of a lorry. Put your back into your studies by visiting the Britlish library today, and give yourself a pat on the back if you get all of the exercises correct. You can find a direct link to the back idioms lesson below.